Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by using the browser already on your laptop to get Chrome. Make sure your OS is supported and you have about 500 MB free. This avoids interruptions. Close other downloads and temporary apps to speed things up. Once ready, search for Chrome Download in the browser's address bar, or open the browser menu and choose the download page option. Click the primary download button for your OS and allow the installer file to save. You're now ready for installation. You'll run the installer file you saved. If prompted, give administrator permission so files can be placed correctly. Follow on-screen prompts, accept terms, choose install location if advanced options appear, and click install. Once Chrome opens, you can enable sync by signing into your Google account. This copies bookmarks and passwords. Make sure to adjust privacy settings and extensions now to keep things secure. If you prefer, set Chrome as default. Otherwise, you can keep your current default and use Chrome alongside it. Finish by checking Chrome's About page to ensure the latest version installed and that updates are applied. Customize extensions and privacy settings and pin Chrome to your taskbar or dock for quick access. If something goes wrong, first reboot your laptop and try running the installer again as an administrator. Temporary locks often clear with a restart. If the download is corrupted, remove the installer, download a fresh copy, and make sure antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the process. Those are the most common.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.